In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your company information, including your logo, address, and time zone, so everything in your CRM reflects your current business details. Let's start from the main Zoho CRM screen. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page for the setup icon. This is usually represented by a small gear. Setup is where all your configuration options live, so anytime you want to customize how your CRM behaves or looks, this is your starting point. Click on the gear icon and you'll be taken to the setup area. Here you'll see different sections grouped by category. For what we need today, focus on the section labeled General. This area controls broader account settings rather than specific modules like leads or deals. Under the General section, find and select Company Settings. This is where Zoho stores your organization-level information, such as your company name, logo, address, and default time zone. It's a good idea to review this page every so often, especially if your business moves locations, rebrands, or expands into new regions. On the Company Settings page, look for the Company Details section. Next to it, you'll see a small edit icon, usually shown as a pencil. Click that pencil icon to open the editable fields for your company information. Now you can start making your changes. If you want to update your logo, you'll typically see an option to upload a new image file. Choose a clear, high-quality version of your logo, ideally in a standard format like PNG or JPEG, and make sure it looks good in the preview. This logo will often appear in various parts of Zoho CRM, so it's worth getting it right. You can also update your company address here. Double-check that things like your street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country are all correct. Having the right address can help keep your communications and internal documentation consistent. Finally, review your time zone setting. This is important because it affects things like when activities are scheduled, how timestamps appear on records, and when automated emails or workflows might run. Make sure the time zone matches the primary location where your team operates. Once you've made all your updates, scroll down if needed and click Save. Give it a moment to process, and your changes will be applied across your Zoho CRM account. That's all you need to do to edit your company information in Zoho CRM.